Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we got a treat. SterlingKits.com sent over a model engine that goes inside of RC cars. Come on in. Let's open it up and find out what it's about. Okay, well, I haven't opened this up to discover anything about this product. Just as what they sent over. SterlingKits.com. It is a Mad RC V8, and it's perfect for most RC crawler kits. And it fits most axial, Capra buggies, or Ultra. And it adds scale looks to it. So let's open it up here. Here we go. It's a cool box, though, isn't it? Isn't that great? All right, here we go. Look at that. That's pretty neat. This foam in there. Look at that engine. That front cover, how detailed it is. Wow. Flywheel, front engine block. Looks like that's an oil filter housing there. Neat stuff. Neat how it's packaged. Great. Take a look here now. Okay, well, let's see here what this says. It says, welcome to the world of Mad Simulation. It doesn't have a paper book. Check this out. The installation manual is in this USB drive. It must be included. All right. Pretty neat. All right. Okay. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Look at that engine block. Holy cow, that is neat. That is great looking. I mean, this looks just like a real car engine. Says Mad on there, oil pan. Wow, this is really cool. I'm excited. I'm looking at it first time just like you guys. Neat stuff. Let's put that over there. And then there's our cylinder heads right there. Oops, I'm getting out. It's like rocker shafts. Cool. There's our cylinder heads. Look at that. The valve recesses in there. Intake manifold there. Lifters. Great stuff. Digging it. And look at this. This is the alternator. All the different pieces. The stator for the alternator. Wow. This is really neat. Looks like that's a throttle body, I think. Yeah, I believe that's what that is. Not sure. Have to look at the instructions on the USB. There's an air conditioning compressor. Wow. This is really cool. This is really neat. I have never had anything this detailed before. This is great. And then here's another. All the exhaust manifolds. That looks like real metal. It feels really smooth. That bolt holes in it. Great stuff. Wow. And here, oh, no, this is the, what is it? Well, this must be the other half of the intake manifold here. There's like an induction hose for it. The plastic is really superior. This is very fine. Detailed stuff here. Excellent. I'm impressed. Good stuff. Let's check this out here. And then here's some gears. You know, and I believe this will hook up to the RC equipment and it will move it. So there's some gears there. And here's electric motor that will work it. Plug that into your RC equipment and it will work with the RC electronics. Neat stuff. Let's take this here second layer out of there. Very nicely packed. This is amazing. Well, there is the USB stick that will have your instructions on it. So be sure not to misplace that. It's metal. It's nice. This is very nice. Oops. All right. And over there. And then, oh, this is the pulleys. This is excellent. There's like a power steering pulleys and idlers. Great stuff. And here's some other. Now those looks like coil packs. I believe these are the coil packs for the ignition system. That's what that is. I'm not sure what these round things are. I don't know. I don't know what those are. We'll find out when we look at the book. The USB book. Now here it comes with the ignition coil wire and then the belt. Looks like it's like an O-ring. Pretty cool. And then here looks like electronics PCB wire for the motor to run that. Look at all these little screws. Be careful with that. They're tiny. There's some more screws, different size. And these are bearings. Got brass bearings. Look how tiny they are. Can you see that? Look how little that guy is. Little gears, bearings and things. Wow. And then there's a shaft of some type. Some screws. Well, this is a neat kit, and I'm excited that it was sent over for me to look at and review. I highly recommend it. Again, this is sterlingkits.com, and this will fit an RC to make it more realistic looking. So I'm really excited about this. This is a cool kit. I'm glad that sterlingkits.com sent it over for a unboxing to show you guys. And be sure to check out their website right there. And until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.